Alright, so let's talk about the reversal words in the string too. So you're given the child array S and then reverse the order of the word. So this is going to be pretty much it, right? So you have to reverse the original child array. So again, so the sky is blue, right? So you blue put it at the first, is put it at the second, sky on the following, and then the will be at the end. So this question is pretty straightforward. You need what? You need a reverse function. So when I want to reverse, right, I want to reverse the entire string first. So I will be like this: EULB, and then you have a space, then space, and then SI space, right? YKS space EHT, right? So once I reverse the entire string, right, I can now reverse the child array before the space. So blue, I mean EULB, I don't know how to pronounce, but when you reverse, you will become blue. SI, when you reverse, you will become is, right? And then YKS, and then SKY, right? EHT, then you will become the. So this is the entire idea, right? So I need a helper function for reverse, right? So char s in I in j. So while I less than equal to j, right? So you need a temp equal to what? SAI and SAI equal to SAJ, SAJ equal to 10, and then you increment your counter, right? So I plus plus, and then it should be j minus minus, right? So you are given the position, right? And then later on you will just so I need to say reverse entire string, and then starting from 0 and then ending from what? The value index, which is s.length minus 1. Alright, so you have to what? So you have to have an I and j pointer, right? So in I equal to 0, and then j is also equal to 0, right? And then you need to have a condition to traverse, right? So while I less than equal to s.length, and then also j is less than equal to s.length, right? S.length, because s is child array, right? And you want to what? So in the beginning, here's it. In the beginning, there might be have a space, right? So you probably can have a space, something like this, right? And then you want to get rid of what? You want to get rid of the space. So I and j was starting from here, and you want to get rid of the space, right? So you want to starting from I at this position, right? And then when you know your current position, I'm going to assign my j equal to I, and then I traverse my j index. When j char is not what? It's not a space. So I need to reach a position which is a space after the right? And then I know I need to swap between I and j minus 1. I and j minus 1. I need to swap, right? I need to reverse, sorry. And then here we go. So while I less than s.length and the current char SAI is equal to space, right? I need to increment my I, so I need to reinitialize my I, j equal to I, and then while j is less than s.length, and also SAJ is not equal to the space, and j plus plus, and then you want to reverse the SAI at j minus 1, and then once you reverse the entire stuff, right? J is actually at a space position, right? Then you want to reinitialize your I, right? So this is how the idea work, right? So reverse what? 0. Oh, this is child array. A little bit typo, but whatever. Alright, so let's talk about the time and space. And for the time, this is definitely all of them, right? You traverse every single, sorry. In this one, you reverse the entire string, right? So it's definitely all of them. And then in this while loop, you are actually what? Breaking the all of n into the small part. So this is still all of n, if you want to say, right? So if you want to just if you're just concerned why they are, a while loop inside a while loop, you probably would ask that, it should be n squared, right? But it's not. It's definitely not. So the worst case is going to be like this. The reverse for the entire char, right? So it's all of n. And the space is constant. So I'm going to put some breakpoint. And then, something like this. I don't know. And you can pause at any second. So look at the left window. If you notice, like the original array is actually what changing, right? Alright, so this is pretty much it. So if you have any question, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want it. Alright, peace out, bye.